Sudden nor'wester, or Kalbaisakhi, as it is known in Bangla, hit West Bengal capital Kolkata, bringing thunderstorm and rain on Saturday. Winds gusting up to 60 km per hour blew over the city. The squall and rain were preceded by a thick cloud cover over the city. Kalbaisakhi is characterized by darkness during midday, and is localized rainfall and thunderstorm even that brings showers for a short duration. It does, however, bring momentary relief from heat and humidity. 2 school children drowned on Saturday afternoon after the boat in which they were practicing for a rowing event overturned due to the sudden storm in South Kolkata, police said. They were practicing on Saturday afternoon for the inter-school rowing championship. They won the semi-finals earlier in the day. The final was scheduled to be held on Sunday, the officer added. There were many boats in the Rabindra Sarovar lake, in which students and others were rowing. When the storm hit, they all came back. 1 boat overturned. There were 5 persons in the boat.